Hey guys, it's Kaylor. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Today is day 58 of the Daily UI series. Today I'm going to be creating a shopping cart. I already have Adobe XD open, and I've set up a iPhone X artboard with a layout selected for one column, 335 pixels wide. I have my margins set on each side of this. I have the top at 50 and 20 for every other value, so the left, right, and bottom. To start this design, I'm going to start by creating a card, and this card is going to be duplicated throughout the design to show off each of the items in our shopping cart itself. So let's go ahead and start that now. So I'm going to drag out a rectangle. So this rectangle is going to be 177 pixels wide by 220 by default. Now this is going to be scaling up like this as I have larger text here for each item. But for now, that's what I'm going to go with. I'm also going to drag out a square inside of that. And it's going to be the same width, but the height is going to be 140 this time. And this is for all of our product images to be displayed. Below this, we're going to have some text. So I'm just going to type in just text for now. I'm going to change this from point to a text area. And I'm going to go over 10, 20, and then just drag this all the way over and then go back 10. So that'll give us 10 spacing on each side of this. From the bottom of my product image, I'm going to go down 10. So now I have 10 spacing all the way around this text area. Below the text area, I'm going to be using a plus and minus icon to increase or decrease the number of this product in our shopping cart. So I'm going to drag those icons in now. Just paste them in. I'm also going to create a square that is 24 pixels by 24. And this is going to be the box around our value. So how many of this product are in our cart. So on the right side, I'm going to put the plus, and on the left side, I'm going to put the minus. I'm just going to drag these over here for now. So this box is a little big, so I'm going to lower it down to 21 by 21. Inside of it, I'm going to put the value of 1 for now. This is going to be in Proxima Nova font, and I'm going to make this value 13, centered up. And for now, we're going to set this to the black color I'm using. So I'm going to center this up in the square by using my align tools. And I'm going to group that. The plus and minus, I'm going to lower these to 10 by 10. I'm going to stick this one right here and put this one on this side. So on each side, I'm going to put 3 spacing. And I'm going to group these together. Position them 10 from the bottom and 10 from the left so they align with this. Over here on the right side, I'm also going to have the price value. So I'll just put $100 for now. And I'm going to align that to the right. And then I'm going to align the center with this grouping. Group it all together and make sure we have 10 spacing on the bottom. Now that I have my item template done, I'm going to start adding the other elements that are necessary for this shopping cart. So I'm going to paste in 2 icons. This one is the back icon that's going to go in the corner, and this one is a plus icon that's going to be for you're ready to check out. So I'm going to put a circle around this one, and let's make this 36 by 36. And I'll center that up. Send it to the back. Remove the fill. I'm going to bump up the border to 1.5. And I might as well just go ahead and make sure these are aligned properly. Good. And group them together. Alright, so now those are in place, so let's add some more text. This one's going to say your cart. And I'm going to align that to the left. This font is going to be 35 pixels, and it's going to be black. So a nice bold title. I'm going to put this 30 below this icon. Below that, I'm going to have some more text. And this is going to say total and give you the price total. For now, I'm just going to put 1,000. This font's going to be size 20. The cash amount is going to be in bold, and the word total is just going to be regular. I'm going to touch this right to the bottom of this text. And since we have this visual space here from the Y, I'm going to go in 10. Now I'm going to add 2 icons over here that are centered up with this font. These 2 icons are going to be for changing it from a grid layout to a row layout. I'm going to be doing a grid in this design. Paste those in. And I'm going to center it up with this font. I'm going to make this one on the right 25% opacity. because this one is currently selected. Let's turn off the layout. We no longer need that. All these items are going to be touching the side of the artboard. So I'm going to start by finishing one of these, and then I'm going to duplicate it a few times and then just fill in the text and the image replacement. First product I'm going to do is just some Beats headphones. I'm going to duplicate this square, remove the border, center these up, and then I'm going to object mask with shape. And that should fit really nicely into this slot, which it does. First I'm going to delete this one back here because we no longer need that one. Put that into position. Remove the border on this. Let's add some shadow. Let's change this to this blue-gray. Put it around there. I think that'll look pretty good. Add my text. This is why I did the text box. Now what I'm going to do is just do 10 spacing from the bottom of that. Duplicate this, go down 10, and touch the bottom to that. So now we have good, perfect spacing. Change this value to 2. And let's change the price to $1,200 and 0 cents. I'm going to group this together, position it on the right here. I'm going to duplicate this, put one on the left, and I'm going to go down from this text 20, position that one there, and then I'm going to go up 30 on this side. So now I'm going to round the corners on the inside of each one of these. So let's do 3 by 3 on that one, and I also need to do it to the top corner of this image. So that should be completely rounded. Nice. And I'll do the same over here, except the opposite. There we go. Now let's copy these a few times. I'm going to do 20 spacing. And I'm just going to fill in the information. Alright, so I just imported all of the images for each of these products, changed the price value, how many we had in our cart, and the name according to each of our images. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the color of each one of these price tags to a blue color, just so it stands out a little bit more so somebody can quickly look at it and tell what price it is. After that, I'm going to go up to the top and I'm going to change the color of these icons from this black color to this gray. Right click, apply as fill. I'm also going to be changing the color of this icon right here to blue, and then also the border. Now one more thing to just add a little bit of color and detail to this design. I'm going to be creating a circle that's pretty large. About that size will do. I'm going to remove the border and I'm going to apply a gradient to this. And I'm going to send this to the back. And I'm just going to kind of position this into the design so that it adds a bit of color and detail. I'm going to adjust the gradient so that the blue is here in the corner and the purple is up here, fading kind of onto the screen a little bit. And then we can just change this icon here to white. And then also both of these texts to white. I'm going to change the price tag on this because some of this stuff in our cart's pretty pricey to $7,377. And with that, I have my shopping cart done for day 58 of the Daily Wise series. I hope you guys enjoyed this design. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more UI related content, and as always, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. On the left is my previous video, just in case you missed it. On the right is YouTube's recommendation just for you, and the top center icon is my channel icon. Click that to subscribe for more content just like this. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one.